Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Today is our first lecture from the book of ninth class. So we are going to study about chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is that branch of science that deals with the study of number 1 matter, number 2 structure of matter, number 3 chemical composition of matter, number 4 physical and chemical properties of matter. So first of all, we see that what is matter. Anything which have mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is of following types: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solid is defined as a state of matter which have definite shape and definite volume is called solid. For example, chair, pen, book, etc. Liquid is defined as a state of matter that do not have definite shape but have definite volume. While gas is the state of matter which do not have definite shape and do not have definite volume. For example, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Plasma is superheated form of gas having positive charges, negative charges, neutral atoms and free radicals. Structure of matter. Different substances have different structure at molecular level. For example, water has bent shape while CH4 methane gas has tetrahedral shape. Chemical composition of matter. Matter is composed of atoms. Now, what is the atom? Smallest unit of matter or smallest building block of matter. Atom is further composed of fundamental particles and subatomic particles. Fundamental particles include electron with negative charge, proton with positive charge, neutron with no charge, while subatomic particles are of hundred of different types. For example, positron, hypron, neutrino. Physical properties of matter includes either temporary changes or physical characteristics of matter. For example, color, taste, smell, density, volume, etc. Chemical properties include either permanent change or chemical reaction. For example, combustion of methane gas produces carbon dioxide and water, while reaction between hydrogen and oxygen results in water. So we can say that chemistry is the science that is based on the study of matter, its structure, chemical composition, and its properties. So that's all.